Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
तरुण तेजपालाच्या केशीन ट्रायल कोर्टान दिल्ल्या निवाड्या आड सरकार हायकोर्टान गेला. गोय सरकाराचे वतीन सॉलिसिटर जनरल तुषार मेहता उबो रावला. हे केशीन ट्रायल कोर्टान कितल्याशाच पुराव्यांचेर दुर्लक्ष केला. तशेंच पीडित चलयेची वळख उघड केल्या म्हूण सरकारान हायकोर्टान आर्ग्युमेंट घालो. हो निवाडो वेबसायटीर अपलोड जालो जाल्यार चलयेची वळख जाहीर जातली म्हूण सरकारान कोर्टाच्या नदरेक हाडून दिला.
We find that the judgment is not proper, the acquittal is wrong. So therefore, obviously, state has filed the appeal. There is no question why state has filed appeal. We find that this judgment of the Learned Sessions Court is wrong. The acquittal is not made on the proper prospects of law. So therefore, the state is right in filing the appeal. State has filed the appeal.
आता हायकोर्टान ट्रायल कोर्टाक निवाडो वेबसायटीर घालचे पयलीं पीडित चलये विशीं निवाड्यांतलो 2 कडचो उल्लेख काडूंक सांगला.
We had filed this appeal before the judgment was available to us because we found that the state found that there are glaring irregularities which are required to be brought to the notice of the court, and some issues are required to be rectified immediately, which indeed the High Court has now said in the order. The order will be uploaded in a short while. The High Court has asked the Sessions Court to look into the matter and make some changes before uploading. So that is the reason why it was required to be filed at the earliest. Therefore, it was filed urgently.
तरुण तेजपालान लिफ्टीन सहकारी चलयेचेर बलात्कार केलो, जबरदस्ती केली, बळजबरी केली हे सिद्ध करप सरकार पक्षाक जमूंक ना. तपासान जाय त्या गजालींचो तपास जावंकूच ना. भलत्योच गजाली घुसळल्यात. फिर्यादी चलयेचे जबानीतूय तफावती म्हूण हे केशींतल्यान तेजपालाक निर्दोष सोडटना कोर्टाचें निरीक्षण. सरकाराक निवाडो मानवलो ना. केस 2 जूनाक हायकोर्टा मुखार येतली. प्रुडंटा खातीर मुकेश कुमार.